Hello friends, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then you are most welcome to my channel. Please watch all my videos and do subscribe my channel. I need your encouragement and support. And if you are coming back again to my channel and watching my videos, then thank you so much. Thank you for your encouragement and blessings. Please check my description box of each and every video, and please check the whole channel. I'm really grateful to you all. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Hello friends, today we will discuss about the chakras, means the plexus. The 7 chakras you need to know about. Explaining chakra, most people seem to either love them or hate them. Chakras are either welcomed and believed in wholeheartedly or dismissed as hocus pocus. The word chakra is a Sanskrit word meaning wheel or circle, and it refers to the individual circular spinning wheels of energy located throughout the body. The chakra system is a complex network of energy channels connecting these wheels and is mapping throughout the whole body, much like spiritual nervous system. There are 7 main and biggest chakras which are found running alongside the spine. So, it is true that in some ways we are not fully sure what we are referring to. When we say energy, we are referring to our life force, which makes us alive and conscious, and we have not truly been able to explain the source of this life force. However, chakra system helps to explain the movement of this life force or energy and can help us understand ourselves. Working with your chakras and balancing them can help you in many ways. Hearing alignments to improving our emotional states, or even unblock limitations to financial success. We work with the 7 chakras, 7 main chakras, which run alongside the spine. They start at the space between the genital and anus, and then run up in a straight line to the top of the head. The topmost chakra is in fact just outside of the body, above the top of the head. Each chakra is set to vibrate at a different frequency and is associated with a particular color. Very handy for chakra meditations where you can visualize the colors. They are also each associated with certain emotions and organ and their functions. Here is a very simple rundown of the chakras. Let's first talk about the root chakra, which is called Mooladhara chakra. Located at the base or root, this chakra represents grounding and survival needs like shelter and security. Often a good one to focus on if you travel a lot and don't always have a fixed home or sense of security. Associated with the color red and the spinal column, the kidneys, legs and colon. The second chakra is the sacral chakra or the sacral plexus, which is called Swadhisthana chakra. Located by the sacrum, a large piece of bone at the base of the spine but above the coccyx. This chakra represents pleasure, emotional balance and sexuality. associated with the color orange and the reproductive organs and bladder. Now we will talk about the third chakra, which is the solar chakra, means Manipur chakra or Manipur plexus, solar plexus, located by the belly button. This chakra represents our willpower and assertion. It is yellow in color and associated with the pancreas, liver and stomach. Number 4, that is heart chakra or heart plexus, which is called Anahata chakra. It is located centrally near the heart. This chakra represents of course love, unconditional love, acceptance, compassion and intuitiveness. The color is green and the associated organ are the heart means the hriday, the circulatory system, the arms and hands. The 5th chakra is throat chakra, means throat plexus, which is called Vishuddha chakra, located at the throat. This chakra is all about communication, creativity, truth and reliability. The color is blue and the organ associated with the thyroid, hypothalamus and throat and mouth. Number 6, which is the third eye chakra or the third eye plexus, which is called Ajna chakra. Ajna chakra means the third eye chakra located in the center of the brain at a cross section found between the eyes and just above the ears. This chakra represents wisdom, imagination, intuition and an ability to analyze the truth in the world. The color is a deep purple and associated organs are pituitary gland, the nose, the ears, etc. And one more thing, the color of third eye chakra is also called indigo. Indigo color is mentioned for third eye chakra. Now the 7th chakra, which is the crown chakra, which is called the crown plexus, Sahasra chakra or Sahasra plexus, the only chakra to be found outside of the physical body. This is located just above the crown of the head in what is considered our spiritual body. There are less words about this chakra as it is the chakra associated with higher consciousness, pure unconditional life and a state of pure being beyond words. There are no physical organs associated, but it is associated with visualizing the upper brain, and the color is a light purple or indigo or white. White means where all the colors are there. The mixture of all colors is white. So many people called that the crown chakra color is white. Okay. Now, how to work with our chakras. This is a very brief overview of what an extremely complex subject, but we can start to see from our own lives, habits and potential blockages where we may need some work to balance out these chakras and bring more clarity to our lives. All yoga practices, including the physical postures, breathing techniques, as well as chanting, and of course meditation are methods of cleaning and balancing the chakra system. So balance your life and keep practicing. Balance your life and travel the world. See the beautiful city, see the beautiful things, dream beautiful, dream big, and make your life fit. So that's all for today about chakras. I will describe about the affirmation of every chakras, like affirmation of root chakra, affirmation of sacral chakra, affirmation of solar chakra on my next videos. Please stay tuned and please watch my next videos. I will give you the every details about the chakras, how to balance your chakras, how to heal your chakras, how to activate your chakras and work on it by affirmations and mantras. Every chakras have few mantras. You have chant with that mantras also. Please stay tuned. I will definitely make videos for all the chakras and their details explanation. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you everyone. God bless you.